What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. And today you guys are going to watch some footage from my cousin Maurice, aka Maurice Makes Hats. He's going to show you guys how he makes beanies, and if you guys want to purchase them from him, the link is going to be in the description. Go ahead and tell him a little bit more about the beanies.
Yes, you can find me at Maurice Makes Hats on Facebook Marketplace page.
Facebook. I'm gonna put the link in the description, and then you got different prices and sizes for the hats.
I make hats from infant to adult, and you can find me on my Instagram at Maurice Makes Hats.
All right, and I'm gonna put all the correct spelling and stuff like that. It's like Maurice _ stuff. I'm gonna put all the actual info in the description below. Make sure you guys support him and stuff like that. It will definitely be appreciated. And stay tuned for the next video, because I'm gonna try to get him to make some more. I think you actually got something else for Christmas, right? On how you can make them like faster and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, so stay tuned if you guys are interested in seeing how to make beanies and stuff like that. Definitely gonna put them on, have them on the channel a little bit more. And again, before you guys head out, hit the thumbs up button. Peace.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make a hat. Two colors, but first you need one of these. One of these for the end, and most importantly, you should use if you need them. You're going to have red and white. Pick it and put it on one of these. Just knotting it to where it's enough yarn where it's used. You just go around until you ain't gonna see nothing right now because it's just getting started. Just pushing it down with this. Take the yarn, keep on doing the same thing. Use this. The first one is always the hard one to put over. Any hat. You can push it over. Easy after that. You do this until you get to a certain number. If you forget the number, when you get farther into it, then you just count where you're at. Let's get in there. Halfway. Or 25. That's how it looks. So, how do you close this? You might be asking. Knot it at the bottom. I usually do it like 4 or 5 times just to make sure that it's good. Other than that, use your scissors, just like you did earlier. Cut the string. And you lift it up. This is a multicolor hat. It's blue and gray. Very nice hats. Next one, this one, is a child hat. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.